We're excited to show how you can integrate data with OneStream's Smart Integration Connector. In today's complex business environments, securely accessing and integrating data from various sources is more challenging than ever. Traditional VPN-based connections can be slow, complex, and pose potential security risks. The need for multiple data sources and tools creates a chaotic environment, making it almost impossible to securely access your data. Welcome to OneStream's solution, Smart Integration Connector. Smart Integration Connector (SIC) extends the value of OneStream by providing a seamless, secure alternative to VPN connections that ensures full control over your data sources and required drivers. You can easily manage and integrate your local or cloud data sources directly into your OneStream environment without compromising security. Additionally, you have access to the following features. Gateways. SIC uses a secure, encrypted gateway to connect your OneStream cloud instance with your local network, providing direct access to your data sources without the need for a VPN. Full control. You retain 100% self-sufficiency and control over your data sources and required drivers, ensuring complete oversight of your financial data. Whitelisting. For enhanced security, you can restrict data access to specific IP addresses or ranges. This ensures that only authorized traffic flows between your network and the OneStream cloud. Smart integration functions, also known as remote business rules. You can execute remote business rules that allow for real-time data interaction with local data sources or web APIs, ensuring accuracy and consistency across financial reports. End-to-end encryption. All communication is encrypted using transport layer security, safeguarding your data from potential threats. Smart Integration Connector does not just simplify the controlling your environment, it also accelerates it, allowing faster data access. Without the time-consuming complex VPN setup, you experience faster data access through encrypted gateways. Increased security. By using whitelisting and transport layer security, TLS, encryption, data is protected at every stage. Smart integration functions that automate complex financial processes, ensuring real-time data interaction without any intervention. Seamless scalability, supporting a variety of data sources, from SQL to Oracle to SAP to web APIs, and the ability to manage larger data volumes, up to 5 million rows or 5 gigabytes per query. Let's explore these key capabilities. As a financial leader, I can quickly and securely access real-time financial data from my local data sources, perform drillbacks, run smart integration functions, and make informed, data-driven decisions without worrying about VPN complexity, reliability, or security. My network and cloud data sources are integrated with the OneStream cloud. A locally installed Smart Integration Local Gateway server manages the credentials and files that establish data source connections. Customer environments are connected to OneStream cloud without the need for a VPN. Now you've seen the highlights of Smart Integration Connector. See the Smart Integration Connector guide and visit OneStreamSoftware.com to learn more and take control of your data.